Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So here we're given a scatter graph, and this scatter graph below shows the maximum temperature and the number of hours of sunshine given in 14 different British towns in a single day. Now, look at this carefully. What are the figures representing? So the numbers between 7 and 17 represent the number of hours of sunshine in each town, whereas the numbers from 10 to 20 on the y-axis represent the maximum temperature in degrees Celsius. For example, looking at, say, this town here, this X here, you can see when there are 13 hours of sunshine, the temperature is 17 degrees or has a maximum temperature of 17 degrees Celsius. So yeah, that's how I explain it. Now, let's look at the questions and try and answer all four of them. Okay, so he says write down the coordinates of the outlier. Now, an outlier is pretty much a value where it does not fit the pattern. And just looking here, clearly this X on the left here is an outlier. So I'm just going to circle it. Okay, so this is the outlier. And now what are the coordinates of this? Well, carefully looking, it looks like it's between 9 and 11. So it's 10 on the X-axis and 19 on the Y-axis. So I would say 10, 19. Okay. Now, what is the type of correlation shown in this graph? Well, if you guys know correlation, if it's going upwards, if the gradient is going upwards, then we call this a positive gradient or positive correlation. If it's going from the top left corner right downwards, it's a negative. And if the stars are all over the place, there isn't a correlation, so there will be no correlation. But in this case, it's positive because it's shooting upwards. So the answer would be a positive correlation. Oops, IV. Now, estimate the number of hours of sunshine when the temperature was 16.4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this one's quite specific. So what we should do is look at the degrees Celsius column and find 16.4. So of course it's going to be between 16 and 18. We know bang in the center is 17, so it's likely to be between probably somewhere, let's say, if this is 17, it's probably somewhere here. So if we just draw a dot line across, and we should be able to have a kind of a rough guess. But the best thing to do really is to draw a line of best fit. And a line of best fit means where all the points are following. So if you see carefully, my line of best fit would be this. I'm going to color it red. So if I was to draw a dotted line, I'll see where it hits. So let's draw another line again, yeah? So oops, let's make another line. Insert line. So starting from here, we want to draw a straight line across here. And that hits the line. Now we draw another line going downwards. So make sure you have a ruler for this. So starting from here, you draw a straight line going down. So yeah, we can see that it hits just before 13 degrees, or, well, it could be that. It could be a bit high even. I'll say it's probably here even. Yeah, so it's just a case of where you think. So it looks like 12.9. I'll say about 12.8 or 9 degrees Celsius, give or take. Now, here's a statement. So suppose true or false. Suppose the temperatures, okay, so statement says temperatures are high on days when there is more sunshine. Give reasons. Yep, looks like true, clearly, because you can see as there are more hours of sunshine, the temperature seems to be going higher. So for example, at 9 is low, but when you're at 17, you're bang at, I don't know, 22 degrees Celsius. So the answer is yes. We give reasons. Your reasons simply be as the temperature increases, or as the number of hours increase, that the maximum temperature also increases. We can just say therefore, yes, because there's a positive correlation. There seems to be more sunshine. Oops, so hot around this. More sunshine as the temperature, as the maximum temperature increases. Okay, that's really it. Hope this video helped, and let me know if you've got any more questions, and then I'll definitely try and get to it as well. Other than that, I shall see you guys in the next video. Ciao.